Methu Bose, Value of Life. Value of Life, Methu Bose.
Do you know the value of my life? Or do you know the value of your lives? Now the answer to that can be a little difficult to find, because sometimes to know the proper value of your life, you must have someone who knows you the best. Dear Board of Judges, parents and my brothers and sisters. Money. Most of you think that money is the thing what makes people valuable. Isn't it right? Isn't it right? No. Let me explain why money is just a thing which we use to do our own transactions. Here's a saying by a genius called Pasta Senpai. With money you can buy a house but not a home. With money you can buy a bed but not sleep. With money you can buy a clock but not time. With money you can buy food but not appetite. With money you can have an insurance but not security. And this is the problem that we all have. There are things that we cannot buy with money. What I am saying is, life is also something that no one can provide the value of money, because you are unique. You are beautiful in your own ways, and you have your own abilities and talents. Let me explain and tell you a story to answer my question. How much valuable someone? One day, a boy went to see his grandfather and asked, "Grandpa, does life has a value?" Then Grandpa replies, "Yes, son, every life has a value." "Then what is the value of my life, Grandpa?" The grandpa handed the boy a little stone and said, "Go and find the value of this stone, but never sell this to anyone." The boy went to an orange seller. "Uncle, how much is this stone?" The orange seller take the stone and looked at it. "I'll give you a dozen of oranges for this." "Thank you, uncle, but my grandfather told me not to sell this to anyone." Then the boy went to a vegetable seller. "Uncle, how much do you think this stone is worth?" "I'll give you sack of vegetables for this." And same answer. "Thank you, uncle, but my grandfather told me not to sell this anymore." And after that, the boy went to a jeweler. The jeweler, who had looked and examined it, said that, "I'll give you 1 million for this." The boy thanked the jeweler and was ready to leave. "Never mind, I'll give you 2 gold necklaces. Sell this to me." "No, uncle, I just wanted to know the value of this stone." At last, the boy went to a gem seller. The gem seller, who had examined it, handed back to the boy and asked, "Who gave you this stone?" "My grandfather." "Son, this stone is a big red gem. It's not enough to add every penny that I have to get this precious gem." The boy thanked the gem seller and was ready to leave. And hearing all this, the boy went back to his grandfather and told everything went on. "So, Grandpa, tell me, what is the value of my life?" "Son, what you have found is the answer for that. Each one determines the value of your life according to their knowledge, their beliefs, and their honesty. Some may say small value without knowing you properly, and some may say no value for your life. But one day, the one who knows you the best will show you how valuable you are, will tell you the proper value of your life. In your lives, you may have found that someone, or you may haven't. This is for the ones that haven't found that someone. The one who knows you the best can be your parents, your siblings, your friends, your relatives, your teachers, husband or wife, or someone who is special to you. Until you find him or her, keep trusting yourself. Never underestimate the value of your life. Never sell cheap yourself to anyone. Learn to respect yourself, believe in yourself, and at last but not least, Love yourself. Thank you.